The act of cooking, and I don't mean fancy cooking, but the basic preparation of seasonal fresh ingredients so that they're delightful to eat. This simple act can become a source of great joy, even if you don't think of yourself as someone who can cook. One of the things that makes us human is that we evolved to be able to cook our own food. We have allowed ourselves to be convinced, largely by the food industry, that we don't have the skills or the time to cook food for ourselves or our families. The truth is that adult human beings are designed to be capable of preparing their own food. If you can boil water, if you can peel a carrot, if you can chop an onion, you can cook a meal. And like most things, you'll get better with practice. For people who have absolutely no time to cook, try and find someone who cares about your family's health and motivate them to do the cooking on most days. If you don't have access to a kitchen, look for places where you can find fresh, minimally processed foods, and choose smaller, farm-to-table style restaurants if you can. The main benefit of eating home-cooked meals a little more frequently is that your meals will likely be much healthier than most takeaway meals you could buy for the same amount of money. Even on a tight food budget, a simple home-cooked meal can end up being tastier and healthier than most of the things you'll find at a takeout or fast food restaurant. Picture a meal as simple as black beans and brown rice. It doesn't have to be boring. You can make that meal delicious with some sautéed onions, some chopped fresh veggies, some herbs, and just the right amount of salt and pepper. In terms of cost, taste, and health benefits, a simple meal like that, even a couple of times a week, can make a huge positive difference. In general, when we compare foods on a cost per calorie basis, we see that fast foods provide a large number of calories at very little cost. But we as a society don't need more cheap calories. We need more high-quality nutrition for each calorie we take in. And we need to enjoy our meals so we feel satisfied. That's where cooking offers a huge value proposition. It helps keep us healthy, it can be a huge source of delight, and it can even bring us closer to the people we love.